We are going to be starting a new channel where we are going to teach people how to run a successful short-term rental business. We'll try to share our knowledge as much as possible. And in the process, we are hoping to create a community of hosts. So to give you a little bit more about our background, we have more than 3 years of experience in the short-term rental space. We've done both traditional short-term rentals as well as arbitrage. And you can say that we are students of Sean Rakitic. Chances are that if you're watching this video, you're already his subscriber. If you're not, you should subscribe to his channel and watch especially some of his older videos from 2 years ago. We'll focus on international markets. Sean operates in the United States and he focuses on the US markets. We're operating in a developing country, so we'll focus on international markets. There are many similarities, but the main difference is that in a developing country, you have to do everything on the budget. So we will show you in details how do we run our business on the budget. This should be beneficial and helpful to the hosts around the world. To give you a quick glimpse into our business, you can see a screenshot from our Airbnb, one of our Airbnb accounts. And in here, you can see that our occupancy for last month was around 99%. Obviously, it's a summertime, it's a peak season, but usually we hang around 85 to 90%, even in the low season. So we'll show you how to do this, and hopefully you will find our videos beneficial. We'll try to make this channel as interactive as possible. So please feel free to ask us any questions down in the comments below. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Cheers.